Alright y'all, so let's get into this install. UNICE sent me this unit, and this is their curly unit with, as you can see, 4C edges like I was showing y'all at the beginning. I'm not sure how I felt about these edges. It did not match the texture of this hair, and they were quite difficult to lay down. I don't think they're meant to be laid though, which is why it might have been a little bit harder to lay them. But personally, I do like having edges on my wig and having edges laid. And I always do cut this little widow peak into my wig just to give the hairline a little bit of personality, so it doesn't look so wiggy. I'm just taking my Even Wonder lace bond right here and spraying that on, because I typically do not use glue for my installs. I just use an adhesive spray just so I can take it off when I want with ease. And yeah, here I am laying the edges, and those little 4C edges do lay down. It just takes a little bit more effort, but like I said, I don't think the point is for them to lay. I think they're just supposed to kind of like be there and look natural. But if you do want to lay them like how I did in this case, they do lay down with a little bit more effort. So yeah, it's cute if you're going for like a really natural look, so do keep that in mind. Overall, this was a really easy install. Now I'm just going in with this super hot comb that is burning the heck out of me. And taking my wax stick and flattening out the top of my wig, going in small sections. Yeah, like I said, the hot comb gets extremely hot. Yeah, it was just burning me so terribly. But once I'm done hot combing both sides flat, I'm taking my spray bottle and my detangling brush and drenching the hair in water and then brushing through it, and this is what it gives. It's giving like Jerry Curly compared to this. This is a whole different wig, and I love it. I'm not mad. This is so pretty. Ugh. Every time I haven't done curly hair in a long time, I just forget how much I love curly hair. Like, ugh, it's so pretty, y'all. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my god, look how pretty the curls are. Like, ugh. Get out of here. I'm just interested to see how this hair dries. This is giving like Jerry Curly waterway vibe. So let's just see how this dries. Clean my room for hours. You better come through with flowers. Your love is bliss, but I know if you don't really care about All right, y'all, and this is pretty much how the hair turned out. Right here, I'm just adding some makeup to my part to define it. It didn't really need this, but I just like to do a little extra stuff to it. But by all means, you do not have to do that step because, I mean, it already does give scalp without the makeup. I just do that to make my part look a little bit more obvious and defined. Then I'm just taking some of that Even Freeze spray and fixing the front of this lace right here, just touching it up. And yeah, y'all, this is the final look of the install. All right, y'all, so the hair is dry now. It does feel a little damp on some parts, but for the most part, the hair is fully dry, and this is what she's giving. I really do love the way this hair turned out. This right here is like my favorite texture of curly. And out of all the wigs I've gotten in the past, this to me looks like Jerry curly hair. I've worked with a lot of curly hair, and this is not quite Kiki curly, and it's not water wave. I do think this is a like Jerry curly deep wave mix, because on the description it doesn't say what kind of curly it is. It just says curly, but I'm just showing y'all that this is what the curls ended up looking like with the 4C edges. I personally am not a fan of those 4C edges. I don't know, I just don't like it because I like to actually lay my edges, and it made it a little bit more difficult to lay my edges. But if that's the look you're going for, then by all means do get this wig. And yeah, y'all, make sure y'all shop this unit. The link to this unit will be on my Amazon storefront. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.